Also not public.
có tôi sai chưa nó nói là Hmong American for celebration chỉ cho trong nô thị
We're gonna start next set with Lam Vong, our traditional Hmong Lao song. Okay.
lại tôi không có tôi perform rồi đó tôi phải cho nó sẽ để tôi trái
đời chỉ ăn người tháo su linh vì chúng tay đỏ cả thế bắt chưa bóng ra bỏ hàng hên na ra chưa mang phá đam mê thì chưa mang cho con tình không nó có ai đại con các tiếng đại nhiên ta đến cho muôn sung sung ta muốn cho muôn tay tay chân cho sung sung đừng có lúc nó thay hoài. All right, thank you, girls.
Can we give a big another round of applause for our Phoenix Band?
Khó chỉ lắng tu chia tình nè xóa mong đoàn cha của tim tôi rối xóa nhà mong sang dân của tay tôi trẻ trong đu để lưu chia lấy từ cha yêu sang khó chia hẹn nè. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
nó chị em mong thôn giờ đó mong pan đâu nữa bên mong cũng một làm một lúa là chị này nó sẽ qua đó chị chọc hạt từ lò với mua cái lạc cái lúa tôi mua không mua pan đâu tên để nó chị cũng mong làm lúa thì nó chỉ cho cô tút cho đua nè bây giờ nó không vào bỏ lời cho đua nó không vào bỏ cho đua kia cho tha hẳn cho tút history nó tới chờ mình cả nó.
But today is not just about looking in front of the stage, right up.
Để nó giờ để tay là giờ để xài được kia cho
Calling all of our Hmong teachers,
veteran
please make your way to the front of the stage.
SGU veteran là giờ mong veteran.
A round of applause so they can make themselves. We have a little token of appreciation. Again, everyone that's teachers that want you to know we recognize you, we honor your work, and we give you the applause you so richly deserve. Another round of applause,
Any college students, I have like a college resource sheet, so you can feel free to grab one and hand it out to anyone who is going to college or needs like scholarships and stuff like that. And then we also have our pageant camp coming up, so if you have like any sisters or anyone who's interested in learning more about pageantry, yeah, then sign up. No problem.
On the back is my contact information, and then the QR code is going to link you to my Instagram, so you can check me out. But yeah, I am a fitness coach. I started out with a little bit more of powerlifting, and then I did dabble into some boxing, but I'm taking a break right now just due to the joints. And so fitness coaching, I was born and raised in Fresno. Are you also from Fresno? Yeah? Okay, awesome. My services include weight loss, muscle gain, corrective training. So what corrective training is I'll give you an assessment and kind of check out like, okay, well, where are you overactive, where are you underactive. So typically people are overactive in like the traps or like the lower back a lot of the times. And then it'll also include nutrition along with my services. And then if you take a look over here, I have two clients. So client number one, Amy, she came in as a beginner. She is a business manager, and so she works 40 hours a week. So we started in July. Currently it is May, and I'm still with her. She currently lost about 10 pounds. She did take a little bit longer as you can see here. She did take about 2 month break just to put on her schedule. Versus my client number two, her name is Courtney. She came in at 112 pounds, still with me today, at 112 pounds. And her goals were to gain weight, lose the belly, and then obviously grow in this. And so she's been more consistent 2 times a week, no breaks, from January to May. And so if you look closely at the pictures here, her stomach actually shrunk, and then her glutes did get rounded here as well. And so those are just a few of my women examples, but is this something you're interested in? I also do men. The reason why I usually go with women is just because it's easier to connect with them, and usually with my women, it's they're more intimidated to come to the gym, and so I really do try to encourage my women. But obviously, like if my men, I'm still into that as well. Yeah. And so if you're interested, you can go ahead and write your name, email, and phone number. I'll contact you, and what we can set up is a consultation along with a free workout. Okay? Yeah. And then if you do decide to go with the 3-month contract with me, I will give you 20% off for the 3 months. But then the consultation and the free workout, they're both free, no charge. Yeah. And you said your name was Ricky, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do for work, Ricky?
I work at
Oh, okay. Which one?
the one on Weiner.
Weiner? Oh, okay. Got it. I was gonna say, do you know John Yang? John Yang? No? Okay, maybe not. Are you guys related?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. nhớ xong rồi.
Dạ.
Có công ty thôi đi chả?
Bỏ
ball. Okay. Nhớ cho group về khu Molly's.
Molly. Thành cái gì?
Ai chứ nó?
Thành cái gì?
Thành mông nhau.
Thành
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, don't share poker.
Don't share with us.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No. I might. Yeah, I know. Like, if I have like other friends, I can refer them.
Yes. So yeah, go ahead and just refer them over to me if they're interested as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you.
Timeline. So we're celebrating our 50th anniversary, and so you can
Come
walk
closer.
through our timeline and see about our history and stuff. And so making sure that we are recognizing our 50th anniversary and why we're here, as well as like all of the oppressions and systems that we've gone through for us to be here today, as well as what is shaping our current environment. So we've seen that like the COVID impacted our Asian American a lot. And so feel free to take a look if you like. And then we also have brochures, ways to connect with us. And if you would like to stay connected, you can scan the QR code. Yeah. Because
We have like a brochure.
let me. Here you are.
Outside.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Come by.
I am currently a graduate student here at Fresno State, soon to be alumni. Hopefully I graduate, I'll let y'all know.
She'll graduate. I've been talking to her. She'll graduate. Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Janu He. I am a news anchor at Fox 9 in Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. So I came all the way from Minnesota to be with you guys here this weekend.
Give a big round of applause
Thank
to
you,
you.
thank you.
Welcome to Fresno weather.
Thank you. I know, this is like the perfect weather. She said it was kind of cold, but I don't know. I think it feels pretty good.
As a Fresno person, y'all know it's low-key chilly. It's low-key chilly.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for having me, though. I do love Fresno. I come back every once in a while. My mom is from here, so Fresno is like a second home to me. So thank you for having me this weekend.
Of course, great to have you here. And we're just gonna go straight into the agenda before we start with the rest of our entertainment. We do have a couple guest speakers who are going to book. And then of course we have good food and also vendors, so please go check out all of our resources, but also get food if you haven't already. And I think without further ado, we're going to welcome our guests.
Someone has lost a blue iPhone. So if you find a blue iPhone,
Our first Hmong nurses of the Secret War. We have the biographies here. So while all the boys are being soldiers, the girls are being nurses, but nobody knows about it. So we're letting everybody know about our Hmong women too, how great they were during the war.
Okay.
Yeah, so go ahead and take a look.
Okay.
And there are amazing panelists, presenters that will be here. So maybe some workshops for you all. There's meetings of legacy,
Make it like a little more like slick back.
What do you plan to do once you're done with that?
and then now to we have vendors, a resource fair, as well as our food trip.
So that's some of the ideas.
The vendors are all the great stuff.
Business is just
So enjoy the day. This is your day. This is the day for all of our students, our families.
I would say maybe take some time to
and
think about it.
make this day yours. So
What you want to do. Because you're
thank
still
you all
young.
for being here.
But you can also go. So there's a booth called the Community College. You can go talk to them. They have different programs there too.
Oh, you have some? Yeah, and then he was like, I was like, oh yeah, we have a good job.
Oh, you did? Are you gonna work? Are you gonna sign up?
all right, that.
Yeah, you should sign up.
He was like, here, have breakfast.
Well, I want to just give a quick thanks to all of our speakers that came up here to open this up for us this morning. So can we just give them one more round of applause? Thank you for all the work that you all have done to make today.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, you're Catherine's dad?
Yeah.
You're so young.
Catherine dad. His dad.
Oh, what?
You know each other?
No, he came to our program.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, to ask for information about our training program.
Uh-huh.
So just helping him out so that we can kind of get him in the right direction.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Okay. Bye.